Hello everyone, today I'm making a cupcake tower. The cupcakes are moist chocolate cupcakes. Here they are. Please come to the kitchen with me, we do together. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. If you want the recipe in written form, head to the description box below. So I started with mixing the milk with the vinegar to activate. Sometimes I use this, sometimes I use yogurt. So today is milk and vinegar. And this is not any milk, I use my coffee creamer. Now I let it activate, and in this bowl I start mixing the wet ingredients. Let's see, eggs, 1 large egg. I beat it a little bit, and I will add on the liquid things. This is 3 tablespoons of coffee in the morning that I brew for me and my husband. And this is oil. I make this towel for a girl, the neighbor's daughter. She graduates high school this year. So I just added the vanilla extract. And this is the milk and the vinegar we will add later. Now I start mixing the sifting the dry ingredients. First sugar. You see what the big lump there on my Sift? So that's why you need to sift your ingredients. So I have a cup of all-purpose flour, and I show you a tip how I use all-purpose flour in place of cake flour by replacing 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So I remove 1 and I added 1. And after that I add baking powder, baking soda and salt and cocoa powder. And I sift it and I mix it in 3 batches to make sure that it's well mixed. So I mix in the second batch now. You can see the lump left over there. At this point, I add the milk with the vinegar in. And we're almost there. You can see the recipe is very easy. It's somewhat familiar with the chiffon batter. Sometimes I make chiffon cake this similar way. And always this recipe and chiffon cake recipe came out very well because it's moist and fluffy. I tasted it and its sweetness is in the good level. So now I will pour in the tin after I put the paper tin down. To make it easier to pour, I put it in the cup, plastic cup. Sometimes people using the ice cream scoop, but that is difficult to wash later. So the best way to me is use a plastic cup. You can see the first two, I'm not pouring the same level, so it create a crease on the cupcakes paper. I will come back and fix that, otherwise your cupcake will be deformity later. You can see I did very well with the plastic cup. So that's it the way I always do. Because after done, I can throw that plastic cup away. No washing, nothing. So I preheated my oven at 340 degrees Fahrenheit and I set up for 18 minutes back. But I will check back every at 10 minutes and then at 15 minutes, and my cupcakes done when I inserted the skewer. So I don't need to bake 18 minutes, I just use 15 minutes and done. And the cupcakes come out well, look very great. So I'm choosing the polka dot pink because I will use strawberry pink frosting. Come back to see me next time. We will frost the cake. Thank you. Bye bye.